Hello students, in today's class we'll be learning about linear equation in two variables, another variety that is based on geometrical figures, the word problems based on geometrical figures. So let's start solving the questions based on it. Now I'm reading the question and then we'll try to solve it, okay? Now in the first question it is given to us that the area of the rectangle get reduced by 8 meters square. So two rectangles, actually one rectangle is there and the comparison in between their length, breadth and area is given to us. So it is given to us that area will reduce by 8 meter square. When area will reduce, if its length is reduced by 5 meters and breadth is increased by 3 meters. क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर हम उसकी जो लेंथ है उसको 5 मीटर्स रिड्यूस कर देंगे और उसकी ब्रेथ को हम लोग 3 मीटर से इंक्रीज कर देंगे, देन एरिया विल रिड्यूस बाय 8 मीटर स्क्वायर. So let's start how we'll have to form the equation. So first of all, what we have to do, we'll be writing it as okay, let length of rectangle be x meters, let breadth of rectangle be y meters, then area. What is the formula for finding out the area of rectangle? That is equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth, that equals to x into y, that is equals to how much? xy meter square. This is the actual area of rectangle. Now again the cases are there. In the first case, what is given to us? Case 1, that if its length is reduced by 5 meters, case 1, new length. What will be the new length? Reduced by 5 meters, x minus 5 meters. We are decreasing the length by 5 meters. And breadth is increased by 3 meters. So new breadth, what will be the new breadth? New breadth is equals to y plus 3 meters. Okay. So what will be the new area? New area will be x minus 5 into y plus 3. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, सिंपल है. So opening up the bracket, that becomes x into y xy, फिर x into 3 is 3x, minus 5y, minus 5 into y is minus 5y, and minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So this is the new area. So area of the new rectangle, or you can say, okay. But now the relationship between the actual area and the new area is given to us. What is the relationship between them is given to us? That the area of the rectangle get reduced by 8 meter square. मतलब के जो original area वो 8 meter square decrease हो जाएगा. So what we can conclude out of it, that now what the conclusion is that from the original area, नहीं ऐसा मतलब उसको ऐसे देखते हैं कि we will obtain new area xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 will get this area and the area of the new rectangle when we subtract 8 from the original area, 8 from the actual 8 from the area of the original rectangle. Now what will happen? ये new rectangle का area है, ये old rectangle के area है. जब हमने old rectangle के area में से 8 minus किया तो दोनों equal हो गए. xy is going to be cancelled. Simple solve कर लेते हैं. We will get the equation 3x minus 5y is equals to minus 8 minus 15. This 15 transposed over here. Okay, it will become minus 8 plus 15. Sorry, minus 15 over here will become plus 15. That is 3x minus 5y is equals to 15 minus plus 15 minus 8 is 7. Will be your first equation. Also, this is first case. Form the equation from the first case. Now, second case, case 2. Again, let's move the. Let's read the remaining part of the question. The second part of the question. If we increase the length by 3 meters and breadth by 2 meters, अब यहाँ पे दोनों increase हो रहा है. New length. If we increase the length by 3 meters, new length is equals to 3 meters and new breadth is equals to x plus 3 meters, new breadth is equals to y plus 2 meters, दोनों इंक्रीज हो गए, लेंथ बाय 3 meters and breadth by 2 meters. The area is increased by 74 meters. Then new area is equals to again new length into new breadth. New length into new breadth. Again multiplying it. X into y is xy. X into 2 is 2x. Then 3 into y is 3y. And 3 2s are 6. So this is new area. Means area of the new triangle. अभी फिर क्या कंपैरिजन दे रहा है कि ये जो एरिया है जिसमें हमने लेंथ और ब्रेथ दोनों बढ़ा दिया है, द एरिया इंक्रीजेस बाय 74 meters. So this area is 74 more than the original area. मतलब कि जब हम ओरिजिनल एरिया में, so when we will obtain this, we will get this area when we will add 74 to the original area. This is मतलब जब हमें न्यू एरिया किसके बराबर है, जब हम ओरिजिनल एरिया में 74 और ऐड करेंगे. अगेन xy and xy is going to get cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equals to 74 minus 6. 2x plus 3y is equals to 68. Second equation. 3x minus 5y, 2x plus 3y is equals to 68. अभी अपन क्या करते हैं कि सिंपल सॉल्व करना है, x को एलिमिनेट कर लेते हैं. ये वाली इक्वेशन को अपन लोग 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, एलिमिनेशन मेथड, एंड वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाय 2. तो डायरेक्टली अपन कुछ लिखते नहीं है, डायरेक्टली वी मल्टीप्लाई दैट. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज 3x minus 5y is equals to 3x minus 5y is equals to 7 multiplied by 2. That becomes 6x minus 10y is equals to 14. Equation number 4. And what else? 2x plus 3y is equals to 68. 2x plus 3y is equals to 68 multiplied by which? Second equation को इससे multiply करना है, by 3 करना है. By 3, that is equals to how much? This is equation with 3, sorry. 2 3 the 6x plus 9y is equals to, now 68 when multiplied by 3, 8 3 the 24, 6 3 the 18, 19, 20, 204. This is equation number 4. अब हम क्या करते हैं, दोनों इक्वेशंस को हम डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. Subtracting third from fourth. 6x plus 9y is equals to 204. And 6x minus 10y is equals to 14. Subtracting. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. 6x minus 6x cancel. 9y plus 10y, that is equals to 19y is equals to 204 minus 14. That is equals to how much? 190. That means the value of y is equals to 190 upon 19. Cancel हो जाएगा 1 and 10. That means the value of y is equals to how much? 10. एक आंसर आ गया. Putting y is equals to 10 in. किसमें पुट अप कर देते हैं? This is first equation, second equation फालतू complicated बड़ी दिख रही है. First equation पुट अप कर देते हैं. And first equation, what is the first equation? 3x minus 5y is equals to 7. 3x minus 5y is equals to 7. 3x minus 5 into 10 is equals to 7. 3x minus 50 is equals to 7. 3x is equals to 50 transposed over that particular side. That becomes 3x is equals to 7 plus 50. 3x is equals to 57. X is equals to 57 upon 3. X is equals to 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 बचेगा 2 3 9s are. X is equals to how much? 19. That's it. तो ये दोनों चीजें आ गई हमारी. X भी आ गया, x is equals to 19 and y is equals to 10. So finally, what's the answer? Length is equals to, original length is equals to how much? 19 meters and original breadth is equals to 10 meters. This is how we have to solve the question. Okay, geometrical figures for rectangle. Now let us see one more question based on this particular concept, geometrical figures. Okay, now let us take one more question that is actually based on cyclic quadrilateral. So before starting the question, I would like to tell you about the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. What actually cyclic quadrilateral is. cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral that lies inside the circle. मतलब सर्कल के अंदर quadrilateral के चारों vertices on the circumference of the circle, when all the four vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle, then the quadrilateral is known as cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, अब बात तो ये होगी कि यार साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल होता क्या बराबर है, देन बट व्हाट्स द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है कि साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल के अपोजिट एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Opposite angles are supplementary, means when you will add them you will get equal. Let us understand. Okay, that say for example that this is a circle given to you, and some of this kind a figure is given to you. This is a quadrilateral line on the circumference of the circle. Say this is cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So we will say that angle A plus angle C, ABCD, angle A and angle C are opposite angles, angle B and angle D are opposite angles. We will say that A plus C is equals to 180 degree, B plus D is equals to 180 degree. So on the basis of this only we will be forming the equation. Now over here in this particular question, find four angles of the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in which angle A is equals to, and the value of angle A is given to us 2x minus 1. That's the value of angle A. Angle B is y plus 5. Angle B is y plus 2x minus 1 degree. Angle B is y plus 5 degree. Angle C is 2y plus 15 degree. Angle C is 2y plus 15 degree. And angle D is 4x minus 7 degree. 4x minus 7 degree. So we have to find what we have to find. We have to find out the measurement of all the four angles in cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle A, that is 2x plus 2x minus 1. That is the value of angle A. And what is the value of angle C? Angle C is 2y plus 15. 2y plus 15 is equals to how much? 180 degree. Now then, opening up the bracket, that becomes 2x minus 1 plus 2y plus 15 is equals to 180. 2x plus 2y plus 14 minus 1 plus 15 is 14 is equals to 180. 14 transpose to that particular side, that is 2x plus 2y is equals to 180 minus 14. 2 common nikal liya inside the bracket, we get x plus y is equals to 180 minus 14 is 166. That means x plus y is equals to 166 upon 2 goes to the denominator. 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. Equation क्या अपन क्या आ गई? x plus y is equals to 83. That's your first equation. Also, angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Exactly in the same manner, angle B plus angle D also equals to 180 degree, because these two also, B and D also are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. What is the measurement of angle B given? Y plus 7. तो B के बदले कितना लिख लिया? Y plus 7 sorry, y plus 5. What is the measurement of angle D given? 4x minus 7. We have written 4x minus 7 is equals to 180 degree. Now opening up the bracket. Y plus 5 plus 4x minus 7 is equals to 180. That is 4x को पहले लिख लिया. That will not make any difference. Plus y plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2 is equals to 180. Minus 2 transpose that particular side, that is 4x plus y is equals to 180 plus 2. That is 4x plus y is equals to 182. That is your second equation. In the first equation, we have x plus y is equals to 83. Second equation, 4x plus y is equals to 182. हम दोनों जगह पे हम देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे प्लस y है, यहाँ पे प्लस y है. डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट द टू इक्वेशंस. तो एक प्लस y जो है वो माइनस y बन जाएगा, y कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. डायरेक्टली वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. क्या करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फर्स्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड. 4x plus y is equals to 182. X plus y is equals to 83. 4x सब्ट्रैक्ट करें साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, दिस प्लस आल्सो विल बिकम माइनस, दिस प्लस आल्सो विल बिकम माइनस, प्लस y माइनस y एलिमिनेट हो गया. फॉर x माइनस x इज इक्वल्स टू 3x is equals to 182 minus 83 gives you 99. Okay, so that means the value of x is equals to how much? 99 upon 3 1 the 33 the. That means the value of x is equals to how much? 33. Putting x is equals to 33 in. I believe first equation is the easiest one. First में put up कर देते हैं. X plus y is equals to 83. 33 plus y is equals to 83. Y is equals to 83 minus 33. That means the value of y is equals to how much? 50. Final answer. In this question they were asking us to get the values of x and y. और ये हमारा आंसर आ गया. क्या x की वैल्यू आ गई आपकी 33 and the value of y is equals to how much? 50. So this is how we have to solve the questions based on geometrical figures. Cyclic quadrilateral की property is the important thing that you have to remember. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.